Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wishing you had easy access to quality icons while working in Figma, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can install and use icon plugins, specifically Font Awesome in Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly grab any icon you need for your designs, speeding up your workflow and adding that professional polish to your projects. Let's get straight into it. First, I want you to open up your Figma project, the one where you'd like to use your icons. Now take a look right at the bottom center of your screen. There you'll see a button labeled Action. Go ahead and give that a click. This might feel a little unfamiliar if you haven't explored Figma's deeper features before, but don't worry, it's just the central command for launching extras like plugins. Once you've clicked on Action, you'll notice a menu pop up. In this menu, find and select Plugins. Plugins in Figma are like little helpers that add new powers to your design toolkit. They're incredibly useful for speeding up repetitive tasks or giving you access to resources you'd otherwise have to hunt for. Now let's bring in the icon magic. In the Plugins menu, you'll notice a search function. Click into the search bar and type Font Awesome. Font Awesome is one of the most popular icon libraries around, with tons of high-quality, versatile icons that are super easy to use. Start the search and you should see the Font Awesome plugin pop up in your list of results. Click Run to launch it and then select Open. This might take a moment to load, so don't worry if you see a little loading spinner, just give it a few seconds. Once the plugin window opens, you'll be greeted with a whole selection of free icons that are ready to use. This is where the fun really starts, because you can scroll through and find pretty much any basic symbol you might need: arrows, social media logos, interface elements, you name it. Simply click on an icon that you want to use. The plugin will instantly insert it right into your current design on the canvas, perfectly sized and ready to customize. You're not limited to just one either. If you want to add more icons, all you have to do is go back to the Font Awesome plugin window and click on another. Remember, each time you want to browse or select a new icon, you might have to open the plugin again from the Action menu. It's a tiny bit of back and forth, but overall, it's a huge time saver compared to searching for SVG files online and dragging them into your project. Think of it like having an icon library right in your back pocket. Whenever inspiration strikes or you need that perfect visual hint, it's right at your fingertips. And that's really all there is to it. With a few clicks, you're able to power up your Figma projects with a whole range of stylish, scalable icons. It might take a few tries to remember exactly where to find the plugin menu, but once you've done it a couple times, it'll feel second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop any questions you might have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips and design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.